Right, now we're going to begin making our black bean sauce. So we're going to turn our front burner on to about 8, and we're going to go ahead and make vegetable stock again. But this time we're going to make half the amount. So we're only going to need 1 cup of water. And then we're just going to be using a generous teaspoon. And we'll do the same thing that we did before. We'll swirl and knock until it comes off. And then we'll smash it along the bottom to help it cook up. All right, now we're going to go to our other frying pan, and we're going to turn the burner on to about 8. And we will add a tablespoon of oil. And we'll come back to the other half of our red pepper. We'll cut the top off, and then we'll pull out the seeds. Cut this in half and cut around our white rib. And then we're going to dice this a little bit finer than what we did for our rice. I want to cut it about this big.